artists. Let's draw a happy duckling jumping in a puddle. It's full of joy and splashes. Get your pencils ready. Start with a big round head and small beak with a wide smile. Add to dot eyes and some fluffy cheeks. Draw the wings spread out and the chubby body below. One foot is up in the air, the other splashing in water. Don't forget the puddle and little splash drops. Duckling is full of energy. Color the duckling bright yellow and the beak and feet orange. Make the puddle blue and splash drops around it. You can add a blue sky or some grass too. On ice. It's having so much fun. Grab your pencil and join in. Start with a round head and chubby body. Add to wings spread out like it's gliding. Draw happy eyes and a big smiling beak. Now draw the feet pointing forward like it's gliding fast. And don't forget the puddle of ice under it. Your penguin is ready to slide. Let's color the body black and the belly white. The beak and feet can be bright orange. Make the ice light blue and add some motion lines to show it's moving. Super cool sliding penguin. Great job! Let's draw more fun animals next time.